Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak and thank you for joining me on this special broadcast. Today, we examine a serious political development in South Sudan, a situation that has sent shockwave across the nation and raised deep concern about the future of peace, democracy, and unity in South Sudan. As of this week, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has removed all his deputies from the ruling SPLM party, high-ranking political figures like former Vice President James Wani Igga, Kuol Manyang Juuk, and Awet Akot have reportedly been placed under house arrest with movement restriction enforced by state security forces. This move shocked many, including international observers, and comes amid escalating tension within the SPLM inner leadership. To understand this movement, we must look at the long-standing conflict between President Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Riek Machar. Since their fallout in 2013, the country plunged into a civil war that devastated millions of lives, particularly in the Nuer community. Thousands were killed simply because they supported Dr. Machar. According to UN, more than 400,000 people were killed. Now, signs are emerging that Kiir Mayardit may be preparing to install Dr. Bol Mel, a powerful businessman, as his successor. Instead of holding a democratic election, this is seen by many as an attempt to cling to power and avoid accountability. This political purge raised serious concern and serious question. What does this mean for national unity? Are we returning to the politic of division and fear? Will the voices of the people continue to be ignored? For too long, South Sudanese politics has been controlled by a few powerful men, while ordinary citizens, whether you are Dinka, Nuer, Equatorians, Shilluk, Morley, or others, continue to suffer. Without free election, equal development, and accountability, South Sudan cannot move forward. As we speak, many Nuer people still face discrimination and even violence simply because of who they support politically. This is not a democracy. This is dangerous tribal politics that risks tearing our nation apart. The only way forward is through inclusive dialogue, transparent governance, and credible elections. Our people must decide their future, not just those in Juba, but citizens from Bentiu to Bor, from Yei to Malakal. We must stand together. We must demand the following: free and fair elections, and an end to tribal-based appointment, justice for victims of political violence, equal development for all states, protection of all communities regardless of tribe. If the leadership fear the will of the people, then it is time for the youth, elders, women, and the international community to speak up louder than ever before.